Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. So, the menu for today is hot dogs. So, look at this. I will show you how I made this. So, first things we're gonna do is chop some cabbage, grated carrots, and parsley. We're gonna cut it very small and mix it together. Our second step is to chop some onion, brunoise, so very small, and together with the parsley, and also mix it and just reserve it. Easy ones so far, yeah. So for our hot dogs, I got some Polish kiełbasa, so Polish sausages. These are Frankfurter kiełbasa, Polish sausages. Amazing they are. So we are gonna steam our buns. Yeah, look. If we steam it, they don't break. They are very nice. So I'm using my Thermomix, but you can use any other tool you got at home. Yeah, look, we are so far just ready to go. So we're gonna have our breads with our sausages and stuff it with all we got, yeah, with the cabbage, onion, Parmesan, and our three sauces. I missed to add some pickles, but pickles they are perfect with this combination together with the hot dogs and sausages with the pickles. So I hope you like it. Have a nice journey and take care. Eat well and eat always veggies. So I will finish up with this some Parmesan cheese here, and well, please subscribe to the channel, give your like, thumb up, leave your comments, and have a nice journey. Take care, cheers. They make you hungry, don't they?